I got these ink pads to do a little Mother's Day craft, and they ended up working so well. I used them to stamp kids' hands, and again, I feel like they ended up working so well. So I love all the colors it comes with. I was grateful for that so that I could give the kids some options of what they were wanting to do. They all ended up coming out really great. So especially I loved, actually, we mixed this is silver. And so some of the kids were really wanting like silver and gold, and we ended up mixing them. Like we would put a color on their hand first and then stamp it with the silver or the gold, and it turned out so pretty, especially the silver when they mixed it like with purple or a different color. But they're nice and vibrant. They work really well. I ended up using them to stamp my kids' hands too. I have my 14-year-old, but I just would take them because the stamps aren't super big. I would take them and I would just rub them along their hands, and they worked great. But not the most, or even the most important part for me was that the cleanup was so easy. When you're dealing with a lot of kids, especially at one time, I really wanted something, that wasn't paint, that I was going to be able to clean up really, really easily and quickly. And I just took a baby wipe and would wipe their hands, and it was gone. There was no residue. It didn't get all over the place. It was just such a nice, clean project. And like I said, it worked well. All of their hands turned out so pretty. So I'm such a fan of these. I think they're pigmented. The pad itself is nice and wet and cushiony. So if you are just in the market for some great stamp pads, I would definitely recommend these.